आज हम आए हैं TVS मास में and we have a Apache 310 RR with us today and देख सकते हो this is a grey color and the specific things I want to talk to you about this bike is बहुत सारे updates आए ये गाड़ी में and you can see it gets a new winglets on the side fairings and it helps the bike with downforce of around 3 kgs when you are running at the top speed, and you can see you also get a dry open glass clutch over here and it says DOHC. It has a dual overhead camshaft. All the bikes have a 90 degree placed cylinder. ये थोड़ा tilt है अंदर की तरफ से, that gives better performance and vibrations थोड़े कम आते हैं when on the foot pegs when you drive it at the high speeds. You also get a lot of customizations in this bike if you get a top model. Also, the TVS racing team has worked on this bike, and they have developed this engine to a peak performance. And also, the BMW uses the same engine in their 310 bikes, and this is the vertical display. अभी बैटरी connected है नहीं इसकी, so we can't turn that on. You can see it also gets a cruise control over here, and there are these buttons that you can toggle between the screen with these buttons. बहुत clicky feel होता है, and those are good. And you can see it is already, it says E20. It is ethanol 20. Ready for ethanol 20, and yes, it overall looks good. I just went on the TVS website and getting to know about the engine. The racing team has done a lot of work on engine. उन्होंने बहुत सारे they have done a lot of things, and also they have used a titanium piston, I guess, to reduce the vibrations on the bike and to give you a more feel and performance in the bike when you drive it at the high speeds and above 100 kilometers per hour. A lot of bikes get a liquid cooled engine. It also इसमें you get both. So the last Apache RR 310 which was there, उसमें बहुत सारे vibrations थे on the foot pegs and the handlebars when you drive it at the high RPM. So TVS have taken that seriously, and they have given a different piston altogether, and they have also oil cooling and liquid cooling. That means आपको रेडिएटर भी मिलेगा, रेडिएटर से भी आपका इंजन ठंडा होगा, and in oil भी. So that gives you more, मतलब आपका इंजन बहुत ठंडा रहेगा, and you get performance out of the bike. It has a traction control, ABS, the cornering ABS. There are a lot of cornering traction control as well. There is a lot of things going on this car, in this bike. And the thing which excited me the most is the open clear clutch on this bike. It looks like a, मतलब इंडिया में कोई भी कंपनीज देती नहीं है. Mainly you get this on the Ducatis and all, and this is here with this Apache RR 310. So, and I was just reading about this winglets. This gives you a downforce of around 3 kgs at the speed, at the top speed. I've heard on I just read about this winglets. So ये सिर्फ फैशन के लिए है नहीं. When you go at the higher speeds, it provides you the better stability on the tracks and the roads. So मतलब you might have seen lot of bikes का, मतलब जब भी हाई स्पीड पे जाते हो तो स्टीयरिंग ऐसे, मतलब हैंडल बार हिलता है. To eliminate that, they have provided this to give you extra downforce on the front end. And racing bikes are all about the front end feel, so you have to work on that. And yes, looks mean. The bike looks crazy with this paint scheme. I don't know the exact name of this color, but it's a kind of a Nardo grey which you get in the BMW bike cars. And I have noticed one more thing. It says DOHC reversed inclined. I guess it's something related to the engine which has been placed a little bit पीछे की तरफ टिल्ट हुआ है तो इंजन इसका. And you also see here the racing, it says racing team slipper clutch. It has a slipper clutch as well. The Apache RR310 also gets a slipper clutch. You can see it's a flagship bike from TVS, and they have went a step ahead और उन्होंने they have also worked on the radiator and the engine cooling, liquid cooling and the oil cooling दोनों है इस गाड़ी में, and that helps you with better performance when you go on the tracks, on the highways. जितना आपका इंजन ठंडा रहेगा उतना आपको परफॉर्मेंस मिलेगा गाड़ी से. So they have worked on that. Yes, there is a lot of more things to talk about this bike, so we'll talk about it. अभी और बात करेंगे ये गाड़ी के बारे में, and that's it. Hey everyone, so if you want to check out the TVS bikes in Goa, Porvorim, then you can come to Mars TVS and check out their bikes in here. I'll just drop down the contact details. You can just contact them and check out the TVS bikes and book your test drive. Thank you. Bye bye.